Well, anybody know what that is? I don't know if she's punching me or what. She copies me though. It's so funny. Daddy. Daddy. I don't know who you fighting, bro. You want to talk to me no more?